Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn how to create this type of banner design in Canva. Before start this video, subscribe to my channel. So let's start. Open your ChatGPT account and type this prompt. I will give all prompt details in description. Check out the description. Wait for a minute. Here we go, we get a best result. Now download this image. Now go to Canva dashboard and select the banner design layout. Drag this image. Remove the background. Crop like this. Go to element section and search background for beach and select this. I think it's perfect and set as background. Set image properly. Now again go to element section and search for shadow. Use this shadow. And place behind the coconut. Decrease the little bit transparency. Previous one was not perfect, so I choose this. Go to layer and send it back. Set properly. Now add some text. Add heading and write travel to. Then write Maldives. Because today we're going to create a travel banner. So use this text. This is the company logo corner. This is contact details, number and website. Always create the banner with eye-catchy designs and little bit text. Now add the font style. For travel to use a big shoulder display, for Maldives use Anthem, and for book now Brule Cruise type. All the font style I will give in description box. Now go to element section and search for label. And place behind book now. Company logo shift towards left. Now copy all font style and paste on contact details. For company logo contact details, I use Nava font style. Now go to element and search for call icon. Place near number. Then again search for website icon and place beside the website details. Set properly. Now I want to add a travel logo which is suit for our design. So I choose this, place here. So our banner design is ready. Hope you like this tutorial. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.